Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the situation with Hurricane Milton. Still a very, very strong Category 5 hurricane as of this morning. And we're going to jump right into this. Alright, here we go. Milton is maximum sustained winds of 154 miles an hour with a 924 central pressure. So it's a little less intense than it was yesterday, but definitely a very, very strong hurricane. It's just north of the Yucatan Peninsula right now, and let's take a look at this here. Move this around. I'm going to take the overlays off here. And we'll check the model data. So here's our spaghetti charts. Several different models trying to depict where this thing is going to make landfall, at least where the eye wall is. And very, very tight agreement right now. A little further south than the previous data. So a little further south than it was, only by about maybe 50 miles or so. And there's still a pretty big room for error on this, but definitely a very nice agreement between the models. And we'll go ahead and look at some other things here. And this is the official as of 4 a.m. 155 mile an hour sustained winds, and it's centered just north of the Yucatan Peninsula. It barely missed at least the eye, making an actual landfall. And it's meandering around right now, moving 12 miles an hour. So the speed's going to increase as we go out through the day and into tomorrow. There's a kind of a upper level flow here that's from southwest to northeast that's going to get caught up in. So it's going to do two things. The upper level shear will help to kind of just organize it a bit, maybe lessen the strengthening, and it will actually pull it faster into Florida. So as of right now, they have the landfall right around 3 a.m. Thursday, so midnight Wednesday, or excuse me, 1 a.m. midnight Thursday to 1 a.m. Thursday, just right around the Tampa, Florida area. And it goes all the way through the state, maintains hurricane intensity, and then should weaken as it goes out to sea. And we'll watch this here. There's a lot of room for error here on this part too. We're going to look at some, let's check this real quick. Absolutely amazing satellite imagery here. You have the Yucatan here, well-defined eye wall. It had a central pressures lower than 900 millibars yesterday. And it is, yeah, very, very fascinating. So it's kind of making its turn a little bit as of the last few hours towards the east-northeast. And you have eye wall replacement going on here. So it's a little bit disorganized now, but it definitely is not going to weaken much less than probably a Category 3 upon landfall. And we'll check the model data here real quick. And we'll do the GFS. They all the models had the as of what was going on yesterday and the rapid intensification. They were all out to lunch on the actual magnitude, or the pressures being below 900. Most of them had it like 950, 970, so significant difference in the strength of the storm as of yesterday. But let's go ahead and check the track here. See if there's any changes. Alright, so this is the GFS model. So you have it here, then you start to take the pretty quick turn to the northeast. And then you have a landfall pretty close to Tampa Bay. And this is right around midnight Wednesday. not much change in the track. We'll check the European here. Yeah, very, very similar. Just a tad bit slower with the European, maybe a 3 a.m. landfall Thursday morning. But the area is pretty much the same. Storm surge is going to be a major concern with this storm, with the path that it's taking. And then, of course, the high winds. It'll probably make landfall, I'd say winds of at least, 130 miles an hour, if not more. So that is, that's the information as of now. And I'll do another update in the morning, and of course, always follow the National Weather Service, National Hurricane Center's official outlooks and warnings, and be aware of a lot of sources out there that like to put a lot of false information out there just to get clicks and likes and shares. So I'm gonna tell you what they put out here officially, and just try to put it all in one package for you, so you don't have to hunt around for it. And I will update again on this tomorrow morning. So thank you.